Review font and text usage across annotation families, model families, or schedules. Fonts are particularly tricky since they can be set within a text style, a dimension style, symbols, or even schedules, to name a few examples. When you select the font style collection, Ideate StyleManager does a first-level analysis of the fonts within the Revit model. You can drill down deeper into annotation families, model families, or schedules. Ideate StyleManager will show the initial usage information, and it will show a second question mark if the annotation family, model family, or schedule information has not been fully analyzed. It can take a bit of time for Ideate StyleManager to fully analyze all the font usage, so the question marks indicate that the analysis has not been completed. When it is complete, you will have the information needed to correct any font issue in your model.